Hello, welcome to Risk of Rain with TheTornnOne. In this case, instead of being my tormentor, he is going to be my carry. I'm not good at this game. I won't pretend that I am. So you're just gonna see a lot of me sucking and him being my dad.
Penis inspection day.
Yeah, penis inspection day.
You know penis inspection day? Like, your uncle takes you out to the shed and is like, pull him down.
Hey, little boy. Hey, do I want to be artificer or do I want to be someone I can actually look decent on?
Did you want to do monsoon or did you want to do rainstorm?
Oh,
we could go down to drizzle.
No,
live forever.
We can just do this, you know.
What the fuck is going on here?
Ooh, hey Ariel, welcome to my recording. We're recording Risk of Rain 2, and we were too lazy to switch to a private channel, so
Here we are.
smile. You're in a YouTube video. No one will watch it except for us.
But you're on candid camera.
Yeah.
And that's what
Well, this is not what I was expecting when I saw you two in a group chat. I thought you were talking about Dungeons and Dragons.
We will.
No.
You missed that.
D&D is for nerds, and that's why I'm playing it.
You wanna know how new I am to like this game? Sometimes I get out of the pod and I forget to press E. And then I'm like, oh, everyone's so fast. Why hasn't my pod opened?
Smooth like a train wreck, my friend.
Yes, brain
So
Lego.
proud of you. And then that's a key. And if it would give me this drone, love drones, love things. Thank you.
But this way we can also see what your mic sounds like. For those of you that don't know or haven't heard, I am going to be doing a D&D thing.
I need
Recording?
free money.
Yeah. So, you know, both of these people will be on it. I don't think Ariel has a YouTube though, so no free plug.
I do not.
No free plug for you.
Don't shame. It's all I ever wanted in life.
And careful, you get onto my channel, everyone will know you.
Too popular. Honestly, too popular.
So popular. Talk of the town, you might say. I think.
Well, I'm gonna go. I need to try and convince Dad to help me check these dice that I'm pulling with cousin.
Good luck.
Hopefully they'll good and I'll have new dice for the D&D game.
Sick, get some help.
Yeah, D&D.
Bye.
Bye.
Ooh, a piece of candy.
Ooh, that's how you know you're moving up in the world. You get your first guest star.
That's it. Easy. Didn't even have to go far from home. Okay, Tlopper is over there. I would kind of...
I just got some money. Let me buy this equipment, and then I think I'm good to open the thing.
Yeah, I'm just grabbing equipment here. Volcanic egg. Alright,
Do I want ammo, teddy bear, or medkit? Teddy bear?
Probably the ammo. The ammo or the teddy bear.
Ammo
Teddy bear
is...
sponges. Yeah, that's just more boss damage.
Oh, and I got General Gnarled Wood Spray.
No, we're right. Alright.
I don't know what that does, but I assume
You can look at me and activate it and it'll attach itself to me and heal me. Or you can just basically heal yourself for it. Take out the wisps because they are full of ass. Oh. I can't wait for the DLC to come for this to come out.
I have a wood spray.
I'm taking this because I'm greedy.
Take both.
No, I just took the will-o'-the-wisp.
A beetle guard. Ooh. Are we just moving on, or do you want to open up some extra boxes here before we go?
Let's move on. We're strong enough.
Yeah, so strong.
I mean, we didn't die on the boss, so there's that. Sometimes that's all you can really wish for.
Not dying? Well, I'm glad we set our goals high. But I guess that is success.
achievable goals.
You just don't die long enough, and then next thing you know, you're there.
You're a god. Yep.
Just gotta stave off death. Do you imagine if like that's your life flows, you know? You just gotta survive the bad back, like, you know, all of that shit, and then eventually you just like a god ascended. Yeah. Life just keeps getting worse and worse and worse, right? And then
you're like, this is it for me.
yeah, then you just wake up one day, skin's perfect, chiseled body. You can see the future.
Dionysus? If you could not ding-dong me, thank you. I'll take a teddy bear in a syringe. Sure. Love it. Love it. Love it.
Love it. I don't have any money. I don't have any damage items either, except for like a flask bottle thing. Wow, look at all the items compared to me. One of us knows how to spend money. The other one.
I mean,
Jesus Christ.
I get free items. That's the captain.
Yeah, but it still makes me feel bad. You make me feel like I'm in real life. Broke as fuck.
You have more money than me.
It depends who you ask.
If you ask the bank.
Hey, don't ask the bank anything, alright?
Yeah, if there's one thing I know, it's that the bank is like the Fae. Don't talk to them.
Jeez, I just want some items, please.
There's a multi-shop over here on it.
There's a what shop?
Multi-shop.
Multi-shop? All the way over there.
Alternatively, there's a chest right over here.
Have a wood spray. What should I buy from? There's a stun grenade, there's the necklace. I'll take the necklace.
No.
Too late. I thought it was, I was confusing you with like the turtle looking thing that gives you a little damage shield.
No, that's not yet.
I know that now, but in my moment of madness.
Has anyone ever told you that you're really pretty?
Yeah, I know all the
gorgeous. Gorgeous, honestly.
Gorgeous. Simply gorgeous.
Gorgeous.
Ooh, there's another thing here. It's like on.
Daisy, Daisy. Oh, yep, that's it. I've ascended.
Is the phone root good? I got it instead of the wood spray, so I can heal myself instead of you.
Yeah, the thorn fruit, it heals you for 50% of your max health. It's very potent.
Ah, potent. That's what I like to hear when describing magic items.
Dummy thick is also reasonable. Give me the booties.
What I would
Give
do
me
is
the
some
booties.
damage. Let me tell you.
There's also this, the Gentron. That was gonna be damaged, but do you need money?
I actually have some money now that I killed some things. You know, I've been spending this entire game running around, looking at nothing. Top tier streaming content. Got a banner? Fantastic. I know those don't drop off. Another chest.
Actually, since they buffed them, it makes it a lot better.
They buffed it?
Yeah, so now every time you activate the teleporter, it spawns. Instead of as only when you use to level.
Oh, that's right, you level in this game.
Okay. Damn. And if you stay in the circle, you get an attack speed buff and a movement speed buff. So. Bam. Doo-doo.
I'll take that. Do you want the other one?
Yeah. If you would like to check around the other side down here, there's a multi-shop over there. So when we get closer to the time, you can actually go and open it if you want.
I would love to. I'll leave at 75, 80%.
No. Leave at 90.
Oh.
Leave at 95.
Oh, I didn't realize I had a curfew, Dad.
Yes, because it charges faster with 2 people.
Yeah, we're time's not important in this game.
Oh, no.
We
Yeah,
just,
you're right.
remember, we just gotta survive. We just talked about this.
Time is part of surviving, but sure.
Depends. It's okay.
Ooh, a piece of candy. You want a piece of candy?
Alright, now I leave.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a multi-shop literally right here.
Yep, that's what I was saying. And there might be another chest down over there.
I want that
So
goat
then-
leg. That goat leg. Thank you.
Also, as a mercenary, you should be using abilities off cooldown to move.
I am.
Good.
Everything's up my arrow. Oh, I see another
Eh.
shop. I'm almost there.
Yep.
And by almost there, I mean not quite there. But, like, almost
I'll get there eventually. A little bit behind, 5 minutes apiece, but I mean, what do you do? That's broken. Got it. You
stun
cheating?
grenade. No, my stun grenade.
You got a behemoth. That's a flat 50% damage increase.
I don't know what you're talking about. That wasn't me. That was my twin.
Oh, your twin, Fellatio. I love him.
Yeah, he's also goes by
Italian.
Horatio. He's Italian. Give him that. Give it to me.
Okay. Let's go up here. You are...
I need money. If you could get me some money, Dad. Dad?
Yes.
Dad?
Sorry. Yeah, I haven't gotten paid yet. I'll give you your allowance in a minute.
God damn it! What kind of fucking stepfather are you?
Not. I'm your Uncle Jose.
Jose. I much preferred you when you were Horatio.
Not Fellatio.
Yeah.
I am Fellatio Kane.
Fellatio Kane. His less known broker brother.
A little bit more depressed.
There's a big chest down here. What does that cost? 200? What am I, made of money? Jesus Christ.
That is why I like the captain, because it's just like, oh, look at that, free things. What's that? 3 chests in a small area? Oh.
Like how nothing spawns by me. Everything spawns by you. They're just trying to make you look better than me, and I'm on to it. I'm not about that life.
It's working. Give you that money. Give you that money.
Gas?
Gasolina. Gas is very, very powerful.
I'll show you
multi-shot?
something real powerful. It's me. I'm so powerful. Ew,
Just
rusty
gonna-
key. That's how you wanna do me? More money, please? Right, I
you
can now
lucky?
finally afford that big chest. Let's go get it.
Somebody come get her.
I see it. I'm $4 short. If you could give me a pay.
No, you're not.
Thank you. Thank you. Oh yeah.
Meanwhile, 600 gold.
Not everyone's as rich as you.
I mean, that's what happens when you sacrifice health for things. Oh, yep, that's,
How do you have
That'll do.
7 freaking goat legs? What the actual fuck?
I have 2. Can you not read?
Looks like a 7 due to the way the meat's on it.
If you could get your meat off my goat legs.
Yeah. Yeah, I say that more times than I care to admit in my day-to-day life.
Get your meat off my goat legs. Okay. Now I have 3 goat legs, and I think we should head to the Telopeter.
Ooh. I just want to open one more chest. I almost have the money.
Yep. That's good for me.
Alright, where is this teleporter? Ooh, a goat leg.
Over here.
I want the pigeon on this guy. Pigeon would be nice. Give pigeon?
Oh, the chicken? I love chicken.
Give pigeon? Ooh, I found another chest. I need 20 bucks. Dad? Spot me? Spot me 20 bucks? Dad? Dad?
If I could see the shooty boy, but I cannot. I got you. Predatory loans. It's only for the rest of your life.
But enough about your...
My lovely financial situation. Damn. Bring heat. With the mushroom sounds I'm making.
Do you think they can smell what the rock is cooking?
Yeah, it's DiGiorno. Where are you? Picture. Ooh, thank you. There's my clay Templar.
Goat leg?
Oh. Goat leg. I don't like clay Templars. They scare the ever-living bejesus out of me.
What the?
Clay Templars, the ones with the Gatling guns. The ones that walk into your house unannounced, kick down your door, and then they,
Start sweet talking your wife in front of you?
blatant disrespect. Hey, little mama, let me whisper in your ear, and it's like, excuse me, that's my wife? You listen here, little bitch.
If I wanted your fucking opinion, I would have asked for it, boy. And you're like,
And then after they're
Yes,
done
so-
with my wife, they move on to grandma.
they move on to me. Not cheating if I fucked you too.
Let's go for blue. Let's see if we can get, bang.
Get the...
See if we... Free legendaries. I like free things.
Yeah, I like free legendaries. Are you buying or like what?
If we can murder the ball boy.
Bop! I'm dead.
That is technically free, but that is not the one I was looking for.
I'm going to the woods green, by the way. I lied.
Why?
Because I fell all the way down here. So do you want it? Do you want to do green? Or do you wanna just move on with our
I
lives?
mean, it's gonna be all your damage
Alright, then
because I lose half my abilities.
Alright, then let's just move on with our lives.
Okay. So it's good talk.
Good talk. Good talk. Ooh, this one. This map always confuses me.
There's blue right here.
You're blue.
That would do
Got
what I die. I would kill for that behemoth you have. I would do horrible things for it.
Like, tell me I'm like good looking, or like
Yeah, you're pretty.
be my friend, or like. Do you want this? You can have it.
Oh, absolutely. Absolutely.
I still don't have any money, and I'm just running past chests. Oh, I have money now.
Yeah, you're in the cave.
And
Things usually spawn in the cave. It takes a while. Or I'm not certain if it's the algorithm or if it's how the director decides to spawn things, but a lot of the time he just slaps me in the face and calls me a cuck.
I need $11, Dad. Dad, give me a loan, Dad, come on, Dad. Jesus Christ, Dad. Everything Mother
what-
said about you was right. You're a lowlife.
I'm working on it. There's your allowance.
Thanks, I got a youth. I'm gonna go.
Oh, you got you, Gent? Oh, fuck yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna go pursue a career in music.
Can you play Wonderwall?
The only song I know how to play. How'd you know?
You get a guess.
Ooh, there's a
That is not
multi-shot
what I
here.
wanted. That is not what I wanted.
What does the feather do, and what does that do?
The Chrono Bobble, don't take it. The feather gives you an extra jump. More mobility.
I want that.
Yeah. There's the boy up there.
Dad,
Guess my
I
legendary?
need $50, Dad.
Okay, I hear a little turd bumping around. There you go. This is your university fund.
Good. I spent it on a feather. Seemed like a good deal at the time.
I mean, BDSM community, I respect it. I'm not one to judge your choices.
Isn't that like a parent's duty to like judge their kids?
Oh, absolutely. But you see, I'm one of the cool dads.
Oh.
I'm hip with the times.
One of the cool dads? What that? Oh, it's a utility chest. Okay, so don't waste money on that.
It's actually pretty good.
Don't
'Cause you
waste
can-
money on that.
You got it, son.
Fucking rates, I got it, boy. Well, I ran out of things to open, so I wanna spend my money on it now. Ooh, there's another thing over here. Ooh, there's two of these little things over here. No, they've already been opened. I feel lied to. Alright, where's that utility chest that I just said no to?
I'm sorry, baby. I love you.
Baby, come back. Ow. Fire.
I would
Oh, another
love.
rusty key. Just what I wanted.
Let's do this. Wispy, wah wah wah.
Wispy, wah wah wah. Oh man, that was mine.
Let's go up there, you little wing donger. Hey,
Dude, we promised not to use my pet name on stream. What the fuck?
bitch tits.
Wah wah wah.
Wah 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 wah.
Why are you acting like you don't know me anymore? That's a little fucking cold, don't you think?
Wah.
Wah. I'm running out of things to open. Can we get this show on the road? Like, oh my god.
I am just going to here.
I want to go hit the thing, alright?
Yep. I mean, obviously you don't have eyes, so I will take it.
Don't have what?
Eyes.
What? Eyes for what?
I found like 4 more chests.
The thing is I only have eyes for you, baby girl.
Toby loans. I'll take it up, Mark. You picked up your Shatter Spleen.
Huh?
I would have loved the Shatter Spleen. But you're a little bitch.
Well, you know, maybe you should have gotten one of those chests I missed. Yeah. I did, man.
No, you just picked it up from the boss, you retard.
Yeah,
Can
I'm
you-
saying I let you have those chests that I didn't see, so, you know, fair trade.
we're even.
Yeah. Crippling debts? Nah. Trade deal? I get Shadow Spleen, you get Disappointment?
I already have enough disappointment. Yeah, don't be like this. I need to eat, otherwise I might die.
That's seems a little like a bit of an overreaction, but I respect it.
I'm gonna fucking die.
Do I want this? What is this?
ATG is very strong.
No, this.
Resonance Disc, it charges up after you kill things,
So,
and just randomly deals damage, so it's not bad.
So should I just buy an ATG, or...
Yeah, probably.
You think so? I don't think so. I think you're lying to me. I think you're full of shit. I'm leaving. Goodbye.
Do this for Papa. One more time. No, Connor.
Yes?
I was looking for something.
I didn't realize I said I'm going and you didn't say anything, so I thought that meant go ahead.
No. Also found your lockbox.
Fuck you. Oh, I have to open that because you don't have a... Got it.
I don't like key. That's why I said your lockbox.
Oh, I thought you were just being nice.
No, I don't give a fuck about being nice to you. You made me lose my Jester build.
You don't need a
You can get-
Build. You have me.
You can get fucked for all I care.
I'm funny enough. You don't need a Jester.
I'll need looking.
Wow.
Gesture.
That's not what your dad said last night. I believe his exact words were, "Who are you? Why are you in my house?" You know your dad. Such a little jokester.
Who are you and what are you doing with my son?
Quickly, run away. Spend money.
Alright.
Ooh, 2 leech seeds. Good, good.
I would love some attack speed right about now.
You think you would, but you really don't want attack speed. I asked.
No. Yeah, right, honestly. I should really listen to you more often.
Yeah, you really should. Goes for a Jester build in an economy like this. What's your Jester build? Real talk.
So Gesture as a drowned, it activates your equipment automatically, and you go with Spinal Tonic, so it increases your attack speed by 100%, your armor by 100%, your movement by 80%. And normally, if you don't have enough, like every time you activate Spinal Tonic, there's a chance that you get the negatives of the stats you're getting. But with enough Gestures of the Drowned, your buff is always up, so you're basically just a superhero.
Oh. Trade your life for drugs. Is that what you're saying? That's what it sounds like.
Yes, it's anabolic steroids. Why am I over here now?
I don't know. Why are you?
I haven't seen any good printers, but I found that Schloppeter.
Flop?
Yeah. I'm gonna remove the location. But I just found Yahtzee time. So hopefully with his grandparent.
Was that even English?
Espanol? Motorboat?
See? Oui, oui.
¿Por qué?
Yes, but in Texan.
Oh, fuck. Ooh, Papa.
Papa Blast?
Papa bless.
I got another tough choice out. What's this do?
Gore's Tome, whenever you kill something, it has a chance to drop gold. That is the equivalent of one chest.
So do I take this instead then?
Berserker's Pauldron is probably better. Actually, the band.
The band?
The band.
Oh, Berserker. Is that what it's called? Berserker's band?
No. You also have a Runald's band there, the ring.
Do I?
It's pinged. Runald's Bend, Gorestone, Berserker's Pauldron.
All I have here is the flower, the pauldron, and something else.
Oh, you pinged
Oh.
it before, that's why. Then take the Pauldron. I need this. Thank you. And then utility. Thank you. And then I'm going to the teleporter because we need... I'm on a bit of a time crunch, let's be honest.
Are you?
Yes, I have to leave in a half hour.
Oh. I'm on my way, Papa.
Realistically, I have almost perpetual crit, but I have no heal. What's plan to do?
Did you grab the other razor wire, or do I just grab that?
You grab that. I grabbed 2. I took the healing.
The healing? What if I need the healing? I only have double Leech Seed.
And Monster Tooth.
Monster what now?
And you have a scythe. And you have a medkit.
I don't know what you're talking about. That's not me.
Oh, sorry, that's Fellatio again.
Yeah, fucking Fellatio. Always taking credit from me in my best works. We might be in the same field, but you know.
You can never compare Master to an accomplice. It's distant.
Well, you know, sometimes I think I'm doing damn, and then I sit next to you and I'm like, never mind.
I mean, I have artificial powers, so. I took a shaped glass because I like damage. It's not the 14 quintillion damage I did before, but it's there. Your life?
Whee!
Life? Your life? Thank you.
No. Fuck you.
No, Mr. Bond, I expect you to die. Ooh, piece of candy. Ooh, piece of candy.
Ooh, found the
That is-
Talapautar.
Lopper, yeah. Let's come up this hill here.
I need $100 million, please.
A small loan of $100 million.
Just a small one though. Like, it doesn't need to be a big loan of $100 million. Just a small one.
Die, these stone golems. You will murder me. Please no look at Gretchen. Here, making my way downtown. Walking fast. Licking ass, and I'm home out. More 3 things. Polishing on me? Have you gone over here yet?
I don't know where I've been. I just know I got a lot of money to spend.
From the hole in your pocket?
Yep. Do I want... Oh, it's another fallen fruit. Damn it. Great fucking waste of my $100 million loan.
Okay, well, there's a lot of things down here if you want them.
There's what?
Otherwise, I will buy them.
There's what?
There's one chest here, one chest here, a drone. They settle, buddy. And basically, there's 2 chests right here. And you better hurry up and take them. Otherwise, I am activating the teleporter. Over here, you Applebee son of a bitch. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. And one right there.
Thanks. Ew.
And this is the difference in the amount of time played. I have played like 300 hours, and you have tried.
I've thought about this game for maybe 20 hours.
Where's the torn? Not having attack speed just doesn't feel good in my soul.
Well, the good news is you don't have a soul, so that's just a placebo effect.
You call
From
me a
being
ginger?
around me for too long. No, just soulless, but you know.
Well, that's rude.
I did not bring your pubes into this.
Red is the day I was born. No, I should probably eat today. I haven't eaten yet.
Yeah, so you keep taunting yourself with. Hey, I'm frozen.
Hallelujah. Hallelujah.
So, how do you want to end this run?
Either through suicide, or we could explode. Either way, we're not with a bang.
Target acquired. Giving him the dick.
Ye old reach around. Come on in. Just like guillotines, love guillotines. Guillotines are so nice to me.
I want
Actually, what?
Viva
Five,
la
six.
France.
567.
Do you think somewhere there's a rich dude that actually owns like one of the original guillotines used in the French Revolution?
I don't doubt it. There are some real weird people out there.
Like that thing, like I would probably put that like center of my house.
Oh, absolutely. That'd be cool to have.
And I'd tell my kids about its history, all the people, you know. How you have fucking portraits of them, even if you don't know the people, you're like, oh, you fuck, just draw someone, make them look French. And like, how do you make someone look French? And like, I don't know, why do you think I hired a racist to do the portraits? You call it caricatures, I call it... Well, let's not worry about what I
Exploiting
call it.
free labor. I love exploiting bigots for my personal gain. Love it.
The item. Focus crystal OP.
This crystal's actually very strong. As long as you can use it, really. Bump, bump. try a bed in the morning. There's no chests up here. What is this? What is? I am disappointed.
I don't
So
know what
many
that is,
brains.
but,
No
fastest
murder.
sprint, I'll take it. I am now fast boy, mixed speedy.
Fast boy, make poop my pants.
Do you think everything with the Flash is like faster? Like, can he shit at like Sonic speeds? Could he weaponize that?
Realistically, I think so. Like, it's talked
want
about
this?
quite in depth. How
Do I want
he's able
this?
to. What's that, Claire? No.
No. Okay, thank you. Alright,
Kind of
continue.
useless.
We were talking about
But,
the Flash pooping.
He's able to speed up all of his his bodily activities. Like, he can increase his heart rate to the point where it's no longer picked up by machines. So he can actually fake himself not having a heartbeat. So realistically, he should be able to weapon it. Like, he can accelerate all of his cells' speed. I'm fairly certain even like his healing. So there's no reason to say that he couldn't weaponize his own poop. It's a little creative when he could literally just warp space and time and have his way with them. But yes, he could go all poop launcher at them if you wished.
Poop launcher? Yeah, I'm not saying you should, but I am saying it is an option.
When in doubt, poop launcher.
Launcher.
This boy healthy.
Very healthy. Got him! Ooh! Heal. Where's my item? There it is. Thank you.
There's one more for you. Thank you. Otherwise, I will gladly consume it.
I got some you can consume.
Glacial?
Yeah, eat my... who's eating me? My uncle? The greatest lover I've ever had?
Is this cannibalism?
Do you think anyone has ever gotten so far into like the YouTube or like social media algorithms that they actually just find like their fake persona like the only thing attractive to them anymore? And it's like, you know, like, I don't want you, I want me, but I want social media's version of me. You know what I'm saying?
That's some deep shit.
Alright, I'll give you 5 rolls and then we leave. So dig fast. Alright, that's 1.
I just
Alright, that's
need...
3. 4.
How many do I have?
5. Alright, I'm walking there. We're leaving. Did you
Give
get
her.
it?
Give her.
Whee! Now we jump down into the pits of hell.
Tartarus.
Alright, this map. I love this map.
Okay, I am running out of time, so I am rushing. Yep, that's damage.
Are you just going straight for like straight for the TP or?
Yep, that's the plan. Because I have 11 minutes and counting.
Ooh.
Not to make you worry about time, but time is of the essence. And I cannot count. Found the teleporter.
These chests are expensive. Alright, I guess you can just start it. I'm on my way. No time for you, boy.
Hallelujah. Hallelujah. You were all dead. Please. Thanks, God. Mired urn. Got an ATG. You know, there's something satisfying about just how can I put this gently? Cheating?
Cheating? In the game, or are you trying to tell me something?
See, yeah.
Dad?
And there's a I'm 100% certain it's a developer feature. They included it. Why not exploit it? Where you can go in and you can edit as many lunar coins as you want. Then all you have to do is go to the Lunar Bazaar and pilfer your black Weasley little guts out. So I should not be this. I should not be this strong. But there's something satisfying about just cheating the system and becoming a god.
Is that so?
Have you ever become a god at this?
I'm just gonna open a chest quickly here.
And that is the end of the run. Celestial portal right here.
You want to dick us? Well,
Yes.
I mean, fair enough. You ready to leave?
Yeah.
Alright, let's get this over with.
Let's go explode.
Do we get anything for exploding?
Yeah, you get 5 lunar coins.
Wow, exactly what you want and need. I just died? Oh,
You'll just respawn at the
I
top.
made it?
There's one time it took me 15 minutes to get down here because I had no jumps and no movement speed. And I kept failing my jumps. Here comes the boom!
Whee! Well, thank you for tuning in for our first recorded run. Definitely wasn't our actual first run.
Triple your damage.
That's great.
See? Cheating.
Triple? Was it triple?
1.6 million, you're at 544.
I don't know what you're talking about. Now that doesn't seem right at all.
I'm illiterate.
Alright, well,
Ignorance is my shield.
please remember to like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff, and we will see you guys next time on maybe another run of this, maybe not. Bye!
Blah.